Okay, did a little bit more cleanup, got the leaves out and the little bit of weeds that the kids missed that were under the leaves. Watered everything up since it's mid-afternoon right now. And got all our veggies growing. I guess it's a good time to actually have a garden with everything that's going on in the world, because everybody's getting crazy and buying everything up in the stores. Everyone's staying away from each other if they have the common cold, because you got to think it's springtime, all the pollen in the air, everyone's getting a normal cold sickness, so everyone's like backing up if somebody has one little sniffle or cough. But got some of the veggies growing, all cleaned up over there. Pumpkins, everything going on. Might have to expand our garden. Cleaned up over there, got all the broken branches up, cleaned up around the blackberries and blueberries. I'm hoping we'll have some this year, because we have some flowers growing on them this year, since I planted them about a little over a year ago, and they were bare root plants. So last year they started growing, so we got some growth out of them, but they didn't produce any fruit. But I'm pretty sure we'll get some fruit this year. Same thing with the grapevines, all the grapevines that were in the back. We'll get over to those. I cleaned up that area. Got the grapevines cleaned up in there, watered them up. Hopefully we'll get some fruit off of those too, because they were planted at the same time the blackberries and blueberries were planted. And of course our center boxes, get them all watered up. And we'll have some veggies coming up hopefully in the next month or so. It's been, let's see, about a month and a half, maybe 2 months since we planted everything by seed. And that's how much it's grown up since then. We had some weird weather going on in Florida. It's supposed to be colder, but we had like little hot waves all the way through pretty much winter. But we'll get some things growing hopefully. Get some more seeds. Make sure we have a little bit of a stockpile of seeds, and get my little funnels and some cheesecloth, clean up my barrel there so I can collect some rainwater in it in case it's needed for whatever reason. Got another one way over there, that red one, that's a rain barrel. Cheesecloth over the top, spigot on the bottom. So this is actually suburbia living. Nice beautiful garden. A little bit of woods back there. Well, wetland woods. But that's what we got going on right now.